Let PB belongs a set of M by N matrix over R. Consider the following statements. First statement is if x p y equal to 0 for all x which are row matrices and y are column matrices, then p is equal to 0. If m equal to n, p is symmetric. For symmetric, it is necessary condition p should be or matrix should be square and diagonal above the principal diagonal, elements above the principal diagonal and below the principal diagonal must be same. Here, if m equal to n, p is symmetric and p square equal to 0, then p must be 0. Then we have to tell about which from which two conditions, which one are true or is true. First, we need to check. First statement is if xpy equal to 0, x is 1 by m means row matrix and y is column matrix. So consider a 2 by 2 consider p 2 by 2 and x also 1 by 2 row matrix and y 2y1. Then product is defined. So it will be xy, this is matrix x, this is matrix p a b c d, this is 2 by 2 and this is column matrix y. Suppose this is y1 y2 is equal to 0. This condition is given to us. Now we have to find their product. Is equal to 0. First, these two matrices xy ax plus cy and here xb plus yd and this is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. So product is possible. 0 is 0 matrix of correct size. 0 matrix of correct size. So I write correct size. Correct size and it will be number 0 because obtained or resultant matrix will be 1 by 1. 1 by 1 it means normal a number. It is y1 y2. So multiply these two matrices, it will be ax plus cy y1 plus xb plus yd y2 is equal to 0. What is given to us? It is given for all x and for all y. Then p is equal to 0. If we choose any x or y, then p must be 0. If we choose. But if I choose y as 0 0, if I choose y as 0 0, then left hand side is equal to right hand side. So statement P, or so this left hand side is equal to right hand side, but P not equal to 0, but P not equal to 0. Here, as I usually consider A, B, C, D as a matrix P. So statement first is false here. So in which option statement first is true are discard here. Both A and both statement 1 and 2 are true. So option A is false here. 1 is true. Option B is also false. Here C and D, we need to check C and D. It means if we anyhow to validate the statement 2, then we are done. For statement 2, if M equal to N, P is symmetric and P square is equal to 0, then P is 0. What is given to us? P is symmetric and P square is equal to 0. P is symmetric for a symmetric matrix. So consider A, C, C here and D. It is 2 by 2 symmetric matrix. 2 by 2 symmetric. Order is so M equal to N. Condition satisfy. P square is equal to 0. Then it will imply P equal to 0. This is our hypothesis. P square is equal to 0. It means AC, CD and AC, CD is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. It means A square plus C square. Here will be AC plus CD. It will be AC plus CD and C square plus D square is equal to 0, 0 or 0 matrix of order 2. These two matrices are equivalent, and equality of two matrices, we know two matrices will be equal if their size and type is same. So A square plus C square diagonal elements, A square plus C square equal to 0 and C square plus D square is equal to 0. It means because square these two equations are in square terms, A square plus C square, so it will be either greater than equal to 0. It will be greater than equal to 0. So you never get a negative value. So it means this implies A square equal to 0 and C square equal to 0. Similarly, from this equation, C square is equal to 0 and D square is equal to 0. It means A, B, C and D. A, C and D, all threes are 0. So P is equal to 0 matrix. So statement 2 is true and first is false. Option C, first is false and second is true. It means this is our right choice.